My name is Jessica Painter and I will demonstrate how to use the Bloomzapp. First, you will need to create a new class or group. On the left side of your screen, click Add Class Group. There are two options to choose from. You can join an existing class or group, or you can create a new class or group. I'm going to create a new class. Next, select the type of group you want to create. There are four main groups at the top of the list: class, school, parent, and subgroup. There are additional options to create communities for groups such as sports teams and scout troops. K-12 teachers should select the class option. Enter the name for the class. Click on the bar that says school. Enter the name of the school in the search bar. And select your school. Finally, select I'm a teacher and click Save at the top right corner. The new class will appear under Classes on the left side of the screen, and the name of the school will appear under Communities. With your class, you are able to invite parents and students to join your class on Blooms. On the left side of the screen, click Invite. Select the class you would like new members to join. If you are using Blooms to communicate with parents of your students, select the parent role. You can enter each parent's email or phone number manually to invite them to join your class. If parents do not have an email address, you can create an access code so parents can join on the website or via text message. I'm going to select the class access code option since it is the fastest way to invite parents. Blooms will generate a code. There is an option to generate a new code if needed. You have the option to manually approve every request to join. This is a good idea if you want to be certain that only the parents of your students use the access code. At the bottom, there are instructions that you can download and send to parents to help them join the class. The instructions are available in English and Spanish. These are the instructions that are available. Finally, select Done in the top right corner. Now that your class has been created and you have invited parents and students to join, you can begin writing posts. All of the posts you write will show up on the class feed in the middle section of your screen. To write a new post, click Updates at the top of your screen, then click Create. There are many different types of posts. The Post option allows you to share a quick update. For example, you can share what your students learned that day. You can attach a photo, video, or document to the post. This is a great way to share what students are working on with their parents. You can schedule the post to appear on the feed at a certain day and time. This is a great feature if you want to write your post ahead of time. The check mark above the comments option means that members can comment on the post. You can disable comments by clicking on it. There is also an option to share the post on Facebook. Make sure you are aware of the rules regarding students' privacy before using this option. Click Post and it will appear on the class feed. Another great feature Blooms offers is parent-teacher conference signup. This allows you to schedule conferences efficiently since parents will be able to see all available meeting times and select a time slot that works for them. Click on Signups at the top of your class feed. Click on Sign Up, then select Parent-Teacher Conference. Blooms will automatically name it Parent-Teacher Conference, but you can edit it if you like. You can enter a location where the conference will be held, such as your classroom or building number. The conference time slots will sync to the calendar for your Blooms class. Select a date and choose the start and end times. You can choose to add a break during the day as well as the start and end times for the break. You can also select how long you would like each meeting to be as well as how much time you would like in between each meeting. There is an option to keep signups private. This is a good option if you do not want other parents to know who you are meeting with and when. You can also type a note for parents to see. There is an option to set a reminder for yourself. Select a time that is most convenient for you. Then select Next. Blooms has generated time slots based on the timeframes I entered on the previous page. You can choose to send the parent-teacher conference signups to individual members or all of the members of your class. Then click Done. Bloom generates a message to send out. You can customize this message if you like. Click Send. That event has successfully been added to the calendar, and an email notification has been sent to all of the invitees.